Consider this arithmetic sequence. Notice that the numbers are getting smaller. In order for the numbers to get smaller, the operation must be either subtraction or division. Well, in this case, we notice that -8 and -13 are how far apart? Same thing, what about how far are -13 and -18? How far are -18 and -23? It appears that it is a constant difference. We say that there is a common difference. So what is that common difference? If those numbers are getting smaller, we'll say it's a negative, and they keep being decreased by 5, the difference between 8 and 13, 13 and 18, and so on. Okay, well, our next task is to figure out, well, what would come after -23? If we get from -8 to -13 by subtracting 5, from -13 to -18 by subtracting 5, and we keep on doing this, well, you know what's going to come next. Take away 5, take away 5, take away 5. -23, take away 5 would give us -28. And if we do it again, if we take away 5 again, that would give us -33. Okay. Well, that's it for now.